Genetics and heredity. Genetics and heredity in biology at the secondary school level is voluminous, as we all know, and also exciting. I think that's very important to mention. Whoops, we have more questions to go. Who's ready? Which is the process by which genetic information is passed from one generation to the next? Option A, mutation. Option B, genetic drifts. Option C, heredity. Option D, natural selection. Correct. Option C, heredity. 2004 objective question 15. What is the term for a gene that has two different alleles? Option A, heterozygous. Option B, homozygous. Option C, dominant. Option D, recessive. Option A, heterozygous. Correct. Now, next question, 2006, objective question 12. Says, what is the genetic term for an individual's genetic makeup? Option A, genotype. Option B, phenotype. Option C, traits. Option D, gene. Genotype, option A, is the appropriate answer to this question. 2007, question 25. What is the process by which a gene's effect is masked by another gene? Option A, dominance. Option B, recessiveness. Option C, epistasis. Option D, polygenic inheritance. Correct. Option A, dominance. 2008 objective question 10. What is the term for a gene that has multiple effects on an organism? Option A, pleiotropic. Option B, polygenic. Option C, epistatic. Option D, dominant. Option A, pleiotropic, is the answer. 2009 objective question 20. What is the genetic term for the passing of traits from parents to offspring? Option A, heredity. Option B, inheritance. Option C, traits. Option D, genes. Correct. Heredity is the genetic term for the passing of traits from parents to their offspring. 2010 objective question 15. What is the term for a gene that is expressed only when an individual has two copies? Option A, recessive. Option B, dominant. Option C, heterozygous. Option D, homozygous. Option A, recessive, is the correct answer. Let's take more questions. 2005 objective question 10. What is the term for the study of chromosome structure and function? Option A, cytogenetics. Option B, molecular biology. Option C, genetic engineering. Option D, biotechnology. Cytogenetics, option A, is the correct answer. 2008 objective question 25. What is the process by which genetic variation occurs? Option A, mutation. Option B, genetic drift. Option C, gene flow. Option D, natural selection. Mutation, option A, is the correct answer. 2002 objective question 20. What is the term for an individual with two different alleles of a gene? Option A, heterozygous. Option B, homozygous. Option C, dominant. Option D, recessive. Of course, heterozygous. Option A. 2009 objective question 12. What is the genetic term for the physical expression of a trait? A, genotype. B, phenotype. C, trait. And D, genes. Option B is the correct answer, phenotype. 2006 objective question 10. What is the process by which genes interact to produce a trait? Option A, epistasis. Option B, polygenic inheritance. Option C, pleiotropy. Option D, dominance. Epistasis is the process by which genes interact to produce a trait. Option A is the correct answer. 2004 question 25. the term for a gene that is located on the X chromosome? Option A, autosomal. Option B, sex-linked. Option C, dominant. Option D, recessive. Sex-linked is the correct answer, option B. 2007 objective question 20. What is the genetic term for the frequency of a gene in a population? Option A, gene frequency. Option B, allele frequency. Option C, genotype frequency. Option D, phenotype frequency. Option B is the correct answer, allele frequency. The genetic term for the frequency of a gene in a population is allele frequency. Don't forget. Allele frequency refers to the proportion of individuals in a population carrying a specific allele, different form of gene, at a particular locus, that is the location on a chromosome. Next question, 2003, objective question 15. What is the process by which genetic information is used to create proteins? Option A, transcription. B, translation. C, replication. Option D, mutation. Translation is the correct answer, option B. It is a process by which genetic information is used to create proteins. The learning journey continues. We go again in the next class.